Bosch wet and dry vacuum cleaner. The gas 15. This is 15 or 15 PS. Oh, this is 15 PS. This is 185, but you have to check the shop how much they're selling it for. Also, we got it from Power J at YS1. What do we get here? One by one. What is that? I cannot see. Put it here. Okay, this is the nozzle. Okay. One item.
Extra brushes.
Extra brushes. How frequent do you need to change them? As long as it wear out.
As long as it wears out.
So the one that you have been using at work, how long did it take you to replace?
We kind of not use it at all.
Oh, they have not replaced it at all. So
extension tube.
These are the extension tubes.
This is something that we like about this vacuum cleaner. It has an extra long vacuum hose, longer than what you would find with other vacuum cleaners.
How many meters is this? I think it's about 3 meters.
Yeah, you can see that.
Looks like 3 meters.
Okay.
We have an instruction manual. Is there warranty?
Yes, there is.
How many years?
1 year.
1 year warranty. Register online?
No, just bring the warranty card and show it to the shop.
Oh, you don't need to register. You just
can go back to Power J and they will settle everything for you.
Oh, you go back to the shop and they will send it.
Even if you misplace the warranty card, they will have a
record of you buying it.
Of you buying it with them.
Okay, so we're going to take out the main unit and put it here. It's a bit messy here. I'm just going to dump everything here. Okay. Anything else inside?
Yes.
What's that? What's this? Oh, for angle to reach angles.
Yeah.
What's
There's
that?
one more. There's one more. I think the rest of the items are inside the vacuum.
Okay, so this is the main unit. Let me take a close-up look. Okay, that's very close. Okay. Bosch is from German.
Yeah. But I don't think this unit is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay, but technology is from there.
You have the dry filter.
This is the dry filter.
Okay. This is the wet filter sponge. You just remove this and put this on.
Okay, we'll show how it's done later.
The small crevice nozzle.
This is a small crevice nozzle.
The attachment is should you use for wet pickup and some plastic bags, dust bags.
Dust bags for
Dry
one.
Yeah.
So wet one no need to line.
No need to line for wet one.
Okay, wet one no need to wait. I take a photo of this thing. So this is the container to suck all the water out. Okay, actually we plan to use this to service our aircon. Okay, because of the sludge build up. So we're gonna suck those sludge off and use this thing. Okay, so for wet one, what you do is you just leave it as is. So now he's removing the dry filter. Dry filter can rewashable. This one also, the wet one.
Yeah.
Why so small, the wet one?
Sorry. Let's see if there's other stuff that I missed out. Because this will be the first time that we are going to use. Yeah, I guess this you have to remove that one and put this on. So remove the paper filter.
Later bring the paper filter up.
Yeah.
Removing, just pull it out.
Yeah.
No latch, no nothing.
There's a.
Okay, Google, stop.
There's a knob here. You just put it in and twist it. That's it.
Hey, wait, come. Sorry. Okay. Okay.
So this is for wet pickup. Yeah. Make sure the ends are covered properly or properly covered. I would say.
This is considered proper.
Yes. But if you are unsure, please refer to the manual.
Okay, there's a manual. Where's the manual? Okay.
Yeah.
The manual is here. So can you assemble it so that it looks like a piece of... So it will tell you how to fit a... this is the attachment. Okay. So actually he have been using this at work and he love it. So we bought one for home. So this is the wet one. Yeah, you have to remove it. So it tells you, but it didn't really tell you how proper is proper. So I guess as long as you meet the end, it's fine. It's tight fit, right? The thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is fully assembled. They have all directional wheels, right?
Yes.
And comes with a normal 3-pin plug thing. This thing here is a replacement of, I don't know what. It looks different. This one got, this is like...
Likely it's not a replacement, but...
It's rubber.
It's more rubbery.
This
so
is rubber.
It's for wet pickup, I should say.
So when we want to...
Yeah, especially
we
on
have
the
to
floor.
change.
Yeah. When your floor is wet and you have to do a wet pickup.
Hey, so I can start to scrub my kitchen and then use this to suck up the water, right?
Yeah.
Yay. Okay. Oh, I want to scrub my hall. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they are not replacement brushes, but more for wet pickup.
Now we were wrong. It's not replacement brushes. It's rubber.
It's a noob
This
video.
one is normal brush. Okay. Hey, you should get it. It's real cheap and it's Bosch. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. Want to solat liao.